Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Mm, Today I will going to continue my series of money tracker application tutorial. So at first we will going to initialize it by using the command to import the white framework to it like we have, and we will going to name the project as front end. Then we will going to select the language as React and take the JavaScript. Then it will going to start a folder for it. It has right now doing it, and then we will be going to go to our CDA frontend file inside of it, and then we will going to npm run dev. Then it will going to start its application. So first of all, let me import the normal type. So guys, we have imported the needed modules for it as node modules by using the yarn install command, and now it will going to run the file. So API file will be for the backend, and frontend file like you have seen it will be for that. And it's first of all I would like you to remove all of these, the basic part of it, the index.js part and app.js part, and let's see how this is looking in reality before removing the not needed part of it. Like let's start coding that part. Like you can see right here, it has started to display its like that React and vtab for it. And now let's start coding the main part of it. Okay, first of all we will going to give the heading as money tracker app, money tracker app h2 as balance as $400 dollars, and then we will going to save it. And then we will going to create a form part of it as giving it a class as dot basic, then input part, input as text, then the another input part which we're going to take the date, uh, date time local. Yes, it has come to date time local, and then we will going to add the description box for it. Input, format input, and this. Now let's define it. How this is going to work. Placeholder, placeholder as 200 Samsung TV, its transaction part. Then we'll be going to give the placeholder part for it. For description box as placeholder as description. Okay, then we will make, now let's make them. Like right here you can see it has come to part, and then we will going to add a button at the end, giving the button class name as, no, class name not, type as submit. And now let's make this part a bit functional by giving it a state feature, like we have given const as name, comma, set name, use state as this, and similarly for your other parts, like date time, date time, and description. And set our description for it. and define it. Then we will going to define it. Giving the value equal to name. Then on change feature, we will going to use the EV set name and give it as and target dot value. Then we will going to similarly do with the other part of it as writing right here. Date time and at last the description part. Okay, we have created the part of it as the as it has the title as money tracker app balance working it. Its functionality is starting to work and like rare. Okay, so now we will going to go to our adding transaction part. First of all, we will going to create a right here an index.js file. Open an integrated file for it. Right here, yarn express yarn add yarn add express. Then we will going to add the index.js part. Express part, it doesn't take that much time and then it will going to start working on it. At the same time we can start coding that. requiring an path, then adding the app express and constant as old as 3000. Also going to install some modules like cores, cores dot env env and mongoose for the database part and start loading it. By the time we will going to import that part. So guys, we have created the basic structure of our backend. We have defined the we have taken the express module, then imported, then given the port as this, and course, then we have import the course and use it and use the express.js part. And now we will going to use the nodemon index.js for it. Okay, right. Let me remove the file which is not needed right here, and let's go to its path, copying it, yes. Now we will going to like now we can see the its output in the console part as second I have forgotten to add it in the. So let's start to code for its CSS part. We will going to set and box sizing, margin as 0, margin, padding, and box sizing as border box for it, and giving the quick layout. Then we will going to go for the body styling part of it. Body, giving the background as radial grid, circle at top, 1B, 1B, 1B32. Yes, that would be color, and the last part as 1 2 1 2 and 1 2 for its background. Then we will going to create a color as E0, E0, and E0, and font family as Poppins, and San Fence, and padding as 20 pixel, and min max width as 500 pixel, margin as 0 auto, like you can see it has started to give its effect to what we have created. Padding as this, and background, then we will going to define its background as RGBA, wait a second, 31 31 46 0.95, and then border radius, giving the border radius as for its circular part as 20 pixel, and box set, giving it a box shadow of 0 15 pixel. So guys, we have created the part which was needed for the animation as fade in. We have, for the fade in part, we have defined the opacity as this 0 and transform it into lesser font version of it as 0.9, and then defining the opacity as 1, and then we have go to our transform part as this is 1 scale, as text align as center, and color as white, font size as 3 rem, margin bottom as 20 pixel, and font as this, then Similarly with the other part of H2, then I have go to our form part. I have given the margin top as 20 pixel, then display as flex and in column, and gap as 15 pixel, and then I have go to our form input part, giving the width as 100%, background as this, then its font color as whitish, and border as 2 pixels solid and this color, and then padding as 14 pixel and border radius as 15 pixel, font size as 1 rem, and translation as with that animation as this. Okay, then we have go to our next part of it as border color as greenish and outline as none, and then the button css as width as 100%, padding as 14 pixel, border as 0, and the normal part of like defining it, and color as black, and font size as 1.2 rem, and cursor as pointer, and font weight as bold, and giving it a animation name, and giving the form button as a hover effect of as that. And so let's see how this is really working. like like you can see, it has started to display its basically form, like it will going to take the, like it has been right 19, its format as this, its description, and like that. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you find this helpful and want to share it, then you can share it with your friends to help others who having the problem to create a new React app as a beginner. So thank you for watching. See ya.